It has been almost more than 100 years since an asteroid has struck the Earth. The last reported incident was on June 30, 1908, when an asteroid exploded over the Tunguska River basin in Siberia, Russia. Scientists suspect that the asteroid was about 50 meters in diameter and it detonated over 6 kilometers from the ground. The blast destroyed over 2,000 square kilometers of forest, but no human casualties were reported. The Tunguska event is now seen as one of the largest asteroids to have ever been reported to have hit the Earth. Since then, we have seen a few minor incidents but nothing of the same magnitude. In February 2013, an asteroid was detected as it passed close to the Earth. It was estimated to be about 17 meters in size and passed about 27,000 kilometers above the surface of the Earth. In March 2015, an asteroid exploded over the Coral Sea near Australia. Prior to this, a fireball was witnessed by people in New South Wales. The most recent reported sighting of an asteroid making landfall on Earth. It is estimated to have been about 4 meters in diameter and did not cause any damage on the ground. Though there have been numerous near misses since then, it has been almost 6 years since an asteroid actually struck the Earth. Scientists remain vigilant in tracking and monitoring all possible threats from asteroids. The threat of a large-scale impact still remains, though, and it is only through vigilance and proactive monitoring that we can ensure that we are prepared for such an unfortunate event. To do this, countries have collaborated to launch space observatories that are designed to detect incoming asteroids and other possible threats. There are also various non-profit organizations that are dedicated to studying asteroids and raising awareness of the threat of impact. These organizations also work to develop and promote technologies to minimize the possible damage from an asteroid strike. They also lobby governments to invest in protection projects to ensure that we can be prepared for a potential collision. As such, it is in our collective interest to remain alert and take every precautionary measure necessary to ensure the safety of our planet from an asteroid strike. Though we have not seen an actual asteroid strike since 1908, such incidents are possible, and that is why it is important to remain watchful. We must take the steps necessary to ensure that we are better prepared for a potential asteroid strike and to mitigate its possible damage. We must continue to collaborate in our search for asteroids and to collaborate in our efforts to develop technologies that can help reduce the potential danger from an asteroid strike. We should also continue to spread awareness of the danger that asteroids pose and encourage the public to be alert in reporting any suspicious sightings. By doing all of these things, we can ensure that the last time an asteroid hit the Earth is the only time we experience such a calamity. It is in our best interest to remain vigilant and to make sure that we remain prepared to respond to any incoming threat from the universe. We must use all the available resources and capabilities to ensure that any potential asteroid strike is detected and managed as swiftly as possible. By pooling our resources and sharing information, we can ensure that any asteroid strike is minimized and the risk of sustaining large-scale damage is decreased. We must continue to work together to improve and expand our search for asteroids and to develop the appropriate technologies that can mitigate the potential risk from a potential impact. As one global community, we must work together to ensure the safety and security of our planet from an asteroid strike. We must also be aware of the possibilities of smaller asteroids striking the ground, and the risks they can pose. Even if an asteroid does not leave any lasting damage, it can cause localized disruption if it collides with populated areas.